Today is October 8th, 2019, and we're releasing version 12.7 of Virtual Consultation, the 3D report defining software product. So what's different in version 12.7? The most important enhancement is actually in the 3D 360 section here. So there are some interactive animations that allow you to zoom into an animation or a model and turn it and look at it from different angles. Really interesting stuff. So 3D Dermatomes is an example of that. Not only can we show the dermatomal patterns, but we can show how they wrap around the body there as well too. What's also really cool about this is that we've made it so you can stretch it out to full screen, so you get a little bit more of an immersive experience with the patients. So the 3D Whiplash is an example. You can go ahead and play this animation, pause it at any point, point out things like the S-shaped formation of the cervical spine, the straightening of the thoracic spine, the lifting upward of the body, and go all the way through it. And again, because it's full screen, so much larger than the previous version, you were limited to 1024 by 768 pixels. Now you can take up the full screen, get really cool high resolution activity here. And we can show things like, the C4 vertebrae slid forward there, and we can see the facet capsules are torn, the PLL's torn, the ALL's torn. Now, the other really kind of significant enhancement, a lot of the people that use trigger points are going to be really happy about this. And again, everything's much larger, much more immersive. But if we click on one of these trigger points, like the vastus intermedius, you'll notice on the left-hand side there's a little information tab. We can click on that, and that'll give us information about the origin of the muscle, the insertion point of the muscle, the action, and then the nerve as well. So we can go ahead and swing it around. Let's go over to, let's say, the piriformis. We'll click on that. You can see the pattern. Now, if we want to turn up the color intensity, we can do that. If we want to change it from red to blue, we can do that as well. We do that with the little sprocket on the right-hand side. But again, we can go over and we can find out information about the origin, the insertion, the action, and the nerve associated with the piriformis muscle. So that's the main difference between 12.6 and 12.7. We worked on the interactive 3D content. Again, it's much larger, much more immersive. It'll stretch out to the full resolution of your screen, whatever that resolution is as well, too. Prior to that, we actually added some things to the main part of virtual consultation. Keep in mind, all this is included within one product. So we can show an animation of decompression therapy, somebody on a table, decompression's applied, and then you can see the nutrients going in and the waste coming out. We cycle through that a couple of times. Just after this enhancement, we actually enhance the laser animation. So if we click on the laser animation here, we can actually see the laser being applied to the plantar fascia. We can see the swelling is reduced, and then the fine microfine tears are going to be reduced or eliminated altogether as well too. So that was version 12.6. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 866-399-4009. That's 866-399-4009. And again, today we're releasing version 12.7 of Virtual Consultation. Thank you.